Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV, Showtime here at TriggrCon, the show in Wichita, Kansas. I'm here at MCM Firearms with the Delta S upper. Did I get all that right?
Yep, that's great. Sounds
It's
good.
my favorite company, one of my absolute most favorite. Now, just heard about you guys just now. I'm walking by and I hear you explaining these PCC uppers, part of your Golden Trigger Award submission. That's like the award that they give out here for the best products. For TriggrCon, Brock, my close personal friend, is going to walk me through this PCC upper selection, suppressed upper selection. Talk me all the way through it. What do we got?
So we just released this year our uppers in our 9mm. We offer these in two different barrel lengths. This is the shorter length, it's around 8 inches, and we also do a 12.5-inch variant. What's cool about these, it's really just a modern take on the old MP5 SD. So the MP5 SD was a great weapon system from H&K. We're kind of fanboys of it.
Oh, who's not?
Right. But we wanted to modernize it. So what we did is we went to a monocore design. Our core is separate from the barrel. So we wanted serviceability, we wanted the end user to be able to clean it, and if anything went wrong, we need to be able to service this and get it back to customers as quickly as possible. So this core being separate from the barrel allows us to change this out if they happen to have a failure. We haven't had anybody send one back yet. And then also another key thing is this is ported. So the porting on here allows the end user to shoot 115 grain white box Winchesters, and they will not leave the end of this barrel faster than 1,000 feet a second.
And a bit of a tip of the hat to the MP5 SD, which had that same feature where you could shoot supersonic ammo that would otherwise make like a sonic crack after it left the suppressor. But you can put whatever ammo you want through there. It can be subsonic, it can be supersonic 9, and it's going to come out and it's going to be quiet and subsonic.
Correct. And oddly enough, even if you shoot subsonics through here, they're actually going to leave within about 50 feet of your supersonics, what would be your supers. But you're kind of throwing money downrange at that point because the gun sounds just as good on 115s as it does a 147.
So what you're telling me is basically this upper is free from all of the savings that I'm going to get from being able to shoot, right?
Yeah, it's basically money in your pocket.
Right, yeah. That's very smart angle you guys are taking here, going for the angling for that Golden Trigger Award. Continue. Keep telling me about this.
So this upper will go on any of your blowback PCCs that maybe you've already bought. There's a ton of them on the market. And if a guy wants to buy this system, if it's a Colt Stick Mag or Glock Mag or MP5 Mag, you can buy our upper, put your bolt in it, put it on your gun, go play.
Okay, so it'll even be compatible with like my 9mm PCC blowback bolt. Just my. Oh, the only thing I need is this upper from you guys.
Correct. In most instances, there might be one or two out there that.
There's no like real like standardization, so it might be a little wonky, for across PCC.
Yeah,
to
there
PCC.
might be somebody out there, something that we've never seen, and we're like, well, okay, well, you're going to need a bolt. Here's a bolt as well.
So Brock, last round bolt hold open, is that upper dependent or lower dependent? Do you know?
It's more mag dependent, okay. But if your mag is capable of it, you need to have the proper equipment in your upper for the most part. So this does not have any of the bolt hold open features in it that we typically offer in our full weapon system line. Reason being, need to be compatible across the board for a lot of stuff.
And you're also launching this, I believe, in a 45 and a 10 mil, right?
The 45 and 10 mil are available only in a full weapon system, not upper only.
Okay, but the upper's the star of the show here.
Yeah, that's it. Mm-hmm.
So what are you calling this?
This is the Delta S DS9 upper.
How much is it going to cost?
These you're going to be $1,300, $1,400, kind of depends on barrel length and then which dealer you buy from.
And when can I get it?
They're available right now.
Okay. Is there anything else that you want to add about the upper here? I mean, I see it's got a side charger. That's fancy.
It is side charge. All of the uppers only come in side charge. And I think that's about it.
Okay. Well, Brock, thank you very much for walking me through the upper. It was very nice to meet you guys, and it's very nice to see you again on TFBTV Showtime. Stick around, make sure you subscribe to see more content from TriggrCon 2023.